In the depths of the cosmos, the wisdom of the Zodiac lies hidden, a celestial map guiding the destiny of individuals and revealing the intricate patterns of the universe. Like a cosmic clock, the Zodiac's 12 houses chime with their unique stories, each influencing the course of human life in their distinctive ways. Picture the first house, the house of self. It's like the story of a young artist who, despite a lack of support, dares to chase her dream. Her determination and unique character, the essence of the first house, are what ultimately lead her to success, defining her personal qualities and appearance to the world. Now, shift your focus to the second house, the house of value. It's akin to a man who inherits a large fortune but learns that true value lies not in material possessions, but in the principles he upholds. The third house, the realm of communication, can be compared to the tale of two estranged siblings who find their way back to each other through shared stories, mirroring the importance of communication and relationships in our lives. The fourth house, the house of home, might remind you of an old grandmother whose tender love and care make her house a home, embodying the essence of emotional security and family. Consider the fifth house, the realm of creativity and self-expression. It's like a poet who finds solace in his verses, his words reflecting not just his emotions, but also his relationship with his children. The story of the sixth house, the house of health, can be told through a dedicated nurse whose daily routine revolves around providing service to others, mirroring the house's focus on work environment and physical well-being. The seventh house, the realm of partnerships, can be likened to a couple who, through their committed relationship, learn the essence of companionship and shared dreams. The eighth house, often considered the most intense, can be compared to the tale of a woman who, after a series of transformations, finds her strength and independence, echoing the house's focus on personal growth and shared resources. The ninth house, the realm of higher learning, could be represented by a philosopher who spends his life exploring new ideas and expanding his horizons, embodying the house's quest for knowledge and spirituality. The 10th house, the house of social status, can be likened to a politician whose career and public image are his life's focus, reflecting the house's influence on our professional lives. The 11th house, the realm of friendships, mirrors the story of a group of activists who, through their shared ideals, bring about social change, emphasizing the importance of collaboration and mutual benefit. Finally, the 12th house, the realm of endings and healing, reminds us of a monk who, in his solitude, finds his spiritual growth and transcendence, embodying the house's focus on healing and retreat. As we journey through the houses of the Zodiac, we uncover the celestial wisdom they hold. The Zodiac, with its 12 houses, offers a profound reflection of our lives, revealing the power of astrology and the wisdom it provides. It serves as a celestial compass, guiding us through the labyrinth of life and illuminating our paths with its cosmic light.